Hello everyone, my name is Robert Tian. I'm the CEO of New Sunshine Lighting. Let me introduce my company. Why call New Sunshine? You see our logo, just like a sun, right? Yeah, the New Sunshine family is a team with the sunshine in heart and shining the smile on the face. And we will set the broad white the filled with the sunlight. Our company discipline like an army, courage, and visible. And our company programs is like a school, transcend, innovation. And our company one like a family, harmony and comfort. You know the song of "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine." And our website is nsslev.com. My name is Robert. You can, if you order, you contact our team. Order at newsunshine.net. And let me introduce our factory. My factory called Dongguan Zhaopeng Lighting Technology Company Limited, established in 2008. Here's the factory. We have 100 employees and also have over 10 engineers for R&D. In 2016, we set up a US company in Los Angeles of California. We keep the inventories there and also have the after sale. We can visit everything in only to United States, all over USA. What kind of our products? The first, our unique product is for the fishing line. The fishing line, we have a 3 series from 30, 60, 100. And also have 100, 200, 300, 500. And also 1,000, 2,000. And also we have the shorter one is 6,000. And our products came over the deep, maximum came 100 meters deep. The second one, we have the temporary water lines and used in the construction. And also we have the shorter one, it's 400 watts, complete IP67, it's waterproof. And the other one is for the LED corn bulb. So we are the first company in China. So in 2008, we set up the first product is the corn cup. Other products like the growing line, the UFO, and something for indoor and outdoor use products. Let me show you our certificate. And we hold a lot of the patent in mainland China, in United States, and Europe. In US, we have the UL and ETL and DLC in US, and also in Europe like CE, Rose, and INEC in Germany. So we sell a lot in Germany, just like the post talk and street lamp. We have the copper in 2014, 2016, over 7 years, 8 years, still keep very good conditions in Germany. So we have very high standard of that. And where we sell, I show you. The main markets in United States, and also from United States and to the Caribbean Bay, and also to Latin America, to the Spanish-speaking countries like Hola, me llamo Roberto, gracias. And also now we sell a lot of fishing line to South Asia like Malaysia, Indonesia, and also to the Middle East, just like Kuwait, like Saudi Arabia. In Germany and also UK and France, we sell to Europe. My name is Robert. So thank you for watching. Thank you to New Sunshine.